I'm Anatole Krattiger. I'm Director of the Global Challenges Division at WIPO, or WIPO. Global Challenges. It's a new division that was created with my arrival here. It deals about what WIPO considers as the global challenges that really are defining the global society today. Why would an organization that deals with intellectual property deal with food security or climate change or public health? It's easier with public health or global health. Why? Because there has been this debate in the late 90s, early 2000s on access to medicines. So patents and access to medicines has been put into one basket. How can the world as a global community work together to make those private goods available to those who are excluded from the market? And that interest of companies, of foundations, of governments in the North and in the South, in developed and in developing countries, to working together on better policies, on initiatives, on new institutions that address this particular issue is just unprecedented, the change that has taken place. I grew up as a farmer and I became a farmer. I actually spent some summers in the Alps milking cows and making cheese, and I'm not kidding. But you see, then the farmer's daughter, I didn't have a farm to inherit. I didn't have the money to buy one, and the farmer's daughter didn't want to marry me, so I needed to do something else. And I studied agronomy and did a PhD in plant breeding and molecular genetics. From the US perspective, I lived there for 16, 17 years. And after a long time, I finally decided to apply for American citizenship and became naturalized last year. What is very interesting is people in companies, be it the scientists who invented, those who develop products, they are extremely motivated to see that their inventions go a step further and also have a humanitarian benefit. Senior management, CEOs, chairmen of the board, equally, because it allows them to show their company that they actually care, and they do care. They're people like you and me. They may look for the bottom line of the company in order to be profitable, rightly so, but at the end of the day, they also care. And if we can do something that does not diminish their market value, but in fact enhances it, then so much the better. Everybody wins. It's a win-win for everyone.